Just now, I received a call from one of my dearest friend, Rinchen from Ladakh, and she was telling me, Jayesh, why don't you make a video on some of the existing issues which women face in the society? So much expectation, so much sense of duty, and at times they feel in need of support. They are finding it so problematic to living up to the standard which their mother have set. They are in so much pain to not really able to serve. I don't know, Rinchen, how do we tackle this issue, but uh, I can totally accept the fact that I can never gauze the pain which women suffer nowadays. And and if you allow me to seek forgiveness as a representative of all the males in this society, kindly allow me to ask for the forgiveness. And I think everybody in this world need to realize that the situation can never get solved by putting part of the blame or full blame on other people. We really need to see in our heart whether we are listening to each other, whether we are actually understanding uh, the role of men and women in the society, or we are just getting influenced by someone else's thought process who want to sort of monopolize the market. For now, I thought I will give a lot of logical answer, but I really want to give you what my heart is telling me. My heart is telling me to just suggest that there are only two emotions which can give us some space to allow consciousness to give us answer. And that space, we are actually getting so captivated by thought process that we really need a space, and the space can only be created when we ask for forgiveness, when we forgive people. The second is when we actually thank for everything we have in our life. So the forgiveness and thank you expands our heart, and that gives some space to consciousness to put us on the right path. We will certainly get our answers only if we can hold the right question in our mind. The right question to hold in our mind is, God, how can I serve? How can I serve? Only if we can hold this question as an individual in our heart, this world will be a better place. So from my heart, I'm saying three things which is emerging, inspiring, getting inspired at this moment is, the first is be seen. Don't really, we should not really try to become God. We are humans. So be seen. The problem is we suppress our emotion for so long that when we are getting seen, it's like a flood. It's like a torrential rain which takes away the fertile soil of everybody's heart. So request all the women, all the female friends which are hearing me out, just be like a drizzle, just like a small shower of rain. So whenever you have something, just just try to learn that art of being seen. Try to express yourself as you can in a very kind words. We all need to learn that art. And the second is to show up. I think man needs so much help. I mean, I know you guys sometimes discuss that men are like child, they need a mother. They absolutely need a mother. Because the mothers of previous generation might have left some loopholes, they might have done some mistakes. So the part of us also need mother. So just show up, just be kind and smile on our stupidity. Don't really fight with the demons we men carry in our heart, because the demon actually need that fight to increase in size. Just smile and find a better time to express yourself. And I think we to do all this thing, being seen, showing up, asking for the forgiveness, forgiving people, thanking others, accepting when they thanks us without feeling inadequate. I think we need to do the cultivation of love. And where do you cultivate? You cultivate love. You get your power in your family when they love you, but when they give you love, you extend that love to the society. Find your own cause to serve. It could be nature, it could be people who are in hunger, it could be elder people who want some people to listen to them. Just try to find a cause and serve. So, being seen, show up, find a way to serve, forgive others, uh, express gratitude, receive gratitude without feeling inadequate, and do the cultivation of love. I think that is what emerging at a moment. Thank you very much, Arin Chen, for this opportunity. God bless you with all the happiness. You are such a lovely, beautiful, endearing friend who put a smile on my face whenever you call me. So thank you very much, Arin Chen, for everything you do, and you are. Thank you. Bye.